Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to compare two payroll programs. First one is Paylocity and the second one is ADP. We will go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these two products, and then we'll compare the pricing plans and the softwares between each other to find out which one is better than the other. Straight away for the prices, both of them offer custom value, so you have to contact them and they will make a tailored offer for you. So there are no bundles, there are no straight away pricing plans depending on how many tasks you want them to handle. You just have to ask them for the evaluation. Also, there's no free trial, so you have to request a demo. You have to add all your data, and they will basically contact you back with all the necessary information. But let's start away with Paylocity. Paylocity is a payroll software that helps managing payroll and human resources affairs using a smart online system. With the help of the software, you can minimize payment-related data redundancy using industry-leading technology solution. It allows you streamlining your human resource and payroll functions through 180 and 360-degree integration with several third-party systems. The software offers comprehensive support service to help you tackle software issues timely. The tool provides highly intuitive, robust cloud software solution to automate payroll. WebPay software supports in tax management and benefits management as well. It can be accessed everywhere and provides a mobile app too. It doesn't matter if you are small or big or if you are enterprise. Paylocity is made for everyone. You can check their products and also the integrations with API library. So you can integrate Paylocity with basically anything that you want to and make the perfect payroll system for you. As you can see, they serve business, industry, and also they can see your partners. What we offer about this ADP, I'm sorry, API library. So all the integrations you can imagine. As you can see, there's not a problem if you are small or large, or if you're somewhere in the middle. And the products they offer: payroll, workforce management, human resources, talent, benefits, modern workforce solutions, data inside and mobile. But let's talk about ADP for a while. ADP is an efficient payroll management software for small businesses, large and even the biggest ones, helping out seamless activity monitoring and operations. Brands can use the platform to pay salaries to individual employees through any preferred channel of their choice, or opt for direct deposit via ADP check. It also lets employees clock in and out with help of mobile or web time cards, thus reducing workloads in real time and helping admins run their businesses in a seamless manner. Moreover, ADP forwards tax filing related alerts in an automated manner, enabling users to pay their taxes on time. Apart from that, it also comes equipped with prepaid legal services, including advice and consultation, helping out businesses navigate issues and they arise. Other beneficial options offered by the same include seamless cash flow management, business and health insurance, helping out employees prepare for retirement, payroll accuracy, shift management, and compliance management. So they serve everybody basically on the market. So it doesn't matter if you have 10,000 or 1,000 more employees. Same goes for for a free demo, you have to ask for them, and also they will tailor you the option for you. You can see what they are handling and what can they provide for you. You can also integrate it and basically also achieve the best performance out of it. And you can see what they all have to offer. Time and attendance, but we are mostly we are into payrolls at the moment. So best idea is to ask for demos from both of them and actually try them yourself. It's really, if you are really between decisions, that's the best way to do it. ADP, though, at least from my point of view, looks a little bit busy and it's not that easy to use, but Paylocity I really like, so you should go and check it out first and see what they are up to. So if you have more questions, please leave a comment underneath this video. If you like the video, press a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Have a great day.